Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. It's fantastic to have you here for a new crossbow video. Some time ago I decided to buy a very cheap broadhead for my crossbow bolts. It arrives today and I want to share with you the unboxing. Let's do it. I bought it on AliExpress and it comes from China. I paid only 1.20 euro for it. Pretty good deal. Here it is. Well packed in a plastic blister. It should weigh 125 grains. The three blades are sharp, even if not razor sharp. The tip is a very pointy black steel cone with a narrow angle, while the blue section is aluminum. The three blades are made out of steel, obviously. Let's mount it on a bolt. It fits perfectly on my 8.8 mm shaft. And seems perfectly balanced and symmetrical at first sight. It lets a 3 blades 30 mm wide hole in the paper. All in all, it seems very good to me, and being so cheap can be replaced with no concerns, in my opinion. Be sure to check my other crossbow videos. I left the links in the description. And stay tuned for more to come. That's all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, thank you for watching.